students, now we are going to prepare 8 more problem in dissolution. Problem number 11. Rose and Lily shared profit in ratio 2:3. Their balance sheet are given. So show realization account, partners capital account, loan account and cash account. Number 1. When preparation of realization account, first you transfer all assets to realization other than cash balance and the bank balance. Debtors 80,000. But the provision is immediately transferred to credit side of the realization account. So inventory, bill receivable, building all are transferred. Done. Rose and Lily liability is very important. That is also transferred to realization account credit side. External liability only, don't forget. So creditors 20,000, that is transferred to realization account. Lily's loan, that is partners loan. Partners loan keep separate account. Partners capital account separate, partners loan account separate. So partner loan not transferred to realization account, that is keeping separate account. Okay, profit and loss account, that is transferred to capital account. So paragraph. Rose and Lily decided to dissolve the firm assets except bills receivable. Realized 4,85,000. When assets sold, that is credited in realization account, don't forget. Bill receivable were taken over by Rose at rupees 30,000. Okay. Creditors agreed to take 38,000. Creditors paid by 38,000. And the cost of realization expenses is 24,000. One motorcycle, that is unrecorded assets, now that is realized as 10,000. Assets sold 10,000. Then contingent liability in respect of outstanding electricity bill. One liability is created, that also paid 5,000. So total expenses 45,400. All expenses debited in realization account. All incomes credited in realization account. When one assets taken by partner, that is entered in credit side of the realization account. When one liability taken by the partner, that is entered in debit side of the realization account. But in this problem, there is liability not taken over by any partner. Okay, sir. Bill receivable taken over by Rose at rupees 33,000. Okay. Receivable taken. Okay. Bill receivable taken over by 33,000. Now balance sheet figure. So balance sheet figure is 15,600. That is the profit of the realization. Don't forget. So this profit of realization distributed to partners capital account in the ratio of 2:3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 15,600 divided by 5 into 2. Rose into 3. So after that capital account. So if you prepare realization account without mistake, so problem is completed. If there is any one mistake, that mistake reflect in capital account. So total problems are closed. So don't make any mistake in preparation of realization account, that is very important. So after that capital account. So in capital account, just transfer. If there is any capital account debit side, that is transferred to credit side of the capital account. If any in credit side, that is debited in partners capital account. Here, Rose capital account 33,000, that is transferred to debit side. Here, profit, Rose and Lily, both transfer to credit side of the capital account. So capital account. So capital balance. Capital is liability. Liability balance is credit side. So by balance brought down 2,40,000 and 1,60,000. There is profit and loss account in balance sheet. That is partners. That's belonging to partners capital. So totally 50,000 in the ratio of 2:3. So here 20,000, then 30,000. Please say in realization profit. Realization profit in debit side, that is transferred to credit side of the partners capital account. That is 6,240 for Rose and 9,360 for Lily. And one more item in realization account, credit side to realization. So Rose token the bill receivable at rupees 33,000. So nothing. No more information. No balance. So the total is comes at 2,66,000 for 240. Here 1,99,360. 2,66,240. 1,99,360. So this is the final settlement of partner. Now the partnership is dissolved. So the final settlement. So the partner was received from the firm 2,33,240 and Lily 1,99,360. Now one more ledger is pending, that is Lily loan account. So now Lily loan account paid, bank by balance brought down. Lily loan how much? Lily loan is I think 32,000. So this is also settled. So Lily account also, Lily loan account also settled. Now the final is cash account or bank account. But in this problem, cash is given. So cash is assets. The opening balance is debit side. To balance brought down 16,000. Listen students very carefully. Check realization account. Just transfer. If there is bank or cash in debit side, that is transferred to credit side. If any cash or bank in credit side, that is transferred to debit side. In this problem, debit side of realization account source rupees 45,000 by realization. That is expenses. Credit what goes out. And in credit side, assets sold. Debit what comes in? 4,94,000. So in realization account, there are two transactions regarding cash. One is debit side and another one is credit side. Now listen, capital account is transferred to realization by gross capital. How much? 2,33,240. Lily. How much? Lily capital account 1,99,360. Lily loan paid. Lily loan account. That's how much? 32,000. Now the account are closed. This is a receipt on dissolution. This is payment on dissolution. Both are same. Now all assets realized and all external liability paid, partner loan paid, then finally partner capital also paid. So the total is 500. If cash account or bank account both are same, credit side or debit side, both are same, the problem is correct. So this is 32,000. This one, this is 32,000. So this is taken from realization account. Both figure is taken from capital account. This is opening balance. This is taken from realization account. So when dissolution 5,10,000 rupees is realized from assets, the 5,10,000 is settlement.